Good day, RK Figs here. So I came out and look at what I see. This is my improved Celeste, and they're not quite ready yet, that's for sure. But they're on the way. They're on the way, and they've been like that for about a day now. And looking at everything else, I don't see anything quite there yet. Although it's that time of the year for me with my early greenhouse start. Things should start to kick in. I know my holliers have been looking like they're ready or almost ready, but nah, they're still hard. This one is a Breba, and even that's hard. So definitely the hollier is a great one, but I know Champagne, at least my LSU Champagne, I've heard a lot of everybody else's LSU Champagnes. They're always amazed to see mine right where it is in ripening. Although I don't quite see anything really ready yet here. All right, so we'll see who comes in first between my improved Celeste and my Ronde de Bordeaux. Although it's kind of not really a fair challenge anymore, because I actually had two Ronde de Bordeaux, one here and one here, and they magically disappeared. I'm thinking it's a squirrel, could be a raccoon. They weren't quite ready yet, and I was waiting for them, and I didn't bag them. I got lazy, and they're gone now. So we'll see. But I also wanted to mention, looking at the tree from this angle, you don't really see anything. But if you get down, and this is something you should definitely do with your trees, and you get a totally different perspective. So here, look, there's a fig there that's almost ready, and there's one there, and these you couldn't really see from the top view. So I'm gonna bag these up. All right, so here we are. It's the next day, and I could make this wait longer. It'll probably taste better, but first Ronde de Bordeaux of the season. It's too exciting. I can't wait. Organza bag are on, so 3 out of 3 of these figs that I covered yesterday are still there, which is fantastic. No latex, that's a good sign. Some cracking, which is always fantastic. This thing is soft. It's funny, I'm getting this almost like a fig growing out of a fig. I had this last year on this Ronde de Bordeaux. I'm not sure why that's happening, but I think it's only this one. Let's cut this guy open and have a taste. Okay, let's cut this guy open and see what we get. Wow. That is a beautiful looking fig, and just judging by the look, I would say this thing is going to be delicious. All right. So give that a taste for me, will you? Here.
Mm,
Really good, huh?
that's actually really good.
Yeah.
Really, really good.
Mm,
Got more?
no top. Mm.
Wow, that's really nice.
Wow. Oh my God, that's the first dark fig of the season, I think. Main crop. Absolutely delicious. So, waiting on those 3 improved Celeste, I come out here this morning and I find Not only are the Celestes missing, but whoever or whatever, which is probably a raccoon, climbed up to get my Celestes, have broken my tree by climbing up on it. And here we got our missing fruits. And then to top it off, my Ronde de Bordeaux that I covered. Looks like he didn't see one of them, but the other one in the organza bag on the floor, eaten. And then my Hollier over here that I was waiting for, probably needed another 3-4 days. He picked it off, but it's hard as a rock. So I'm not sure what to do here. I've never dealt with a raccoon before. If you got any advice, let me know.